Join the LED Discord server but cannot access any channel? Here come, I will show you how to access the channels. Number 1. You will get a message from email bot. It will tell you to enter your email ID. As shown in the video, enter your email ID. After entering the ID, you will get a code in your mail you have entered. Check your mail and enter the code. After entering the code, you will be given a role called verified. After that, open your LED Discord server. Please read the rules here. Please read the rules and agree to the server's rules. After agreeing to the server's rule, you will see the rules channel. Please read the rules here. After that, go to the self-role channel. In this channel, there are many branches from CSC to aerospace. Choose your branch. After choosing the branch, you will see that many channels has appeared. This is how you can appear channels. Thank you.